Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
In the background, my brother was fixing screws on the bicycle. I was mixing the food for Fox. Near a big ox was eating grass. Ox loved to eat grass. Working on your own is important.
Dear kids, let's meet with a new alphabet. X, which sound is s, 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 ox, s, s, fox, s, s, box, s, s, mix, s, s, six, s, s, fix. Dear kids, imagine a fox. Have you heard of a fox before? What do you think a fox looks like?
See you in the next lesson.